Right. Yes, we need to do a little crystal ball gazing before we
We certainly
close.
do. Yeah, we
Um,
certainly do.
but before, so how about graphene, the world of graphene? And that's obviously
Yeah,
another
so,
thing.
I mean, graphene's an interesting product. Versarion was actually one of the companies I came across when I was working at Innovate UK. Graphene, the world's strongest material. Graphene celebrates its 10-year anniversary this year, actually, 2024. Um, Graphene is one of those materials that has both electrical conductivity properties, strength properties that present great opportunities. But like a lot of materials, there are qualification aspects, that are market aspects. It takes a long time for a new material, a new idea to become successful in the marketplace. And Versarion is inching its way in terms of product development, focusing around things like textiles and focusing around graphene in concrete, giving its additional strength properties, but ultimately will end up in very high tech products in aerospace, in communications, electrical devices, liquid LCD kind of displays. So Versarion's got endless possibilities, and Versarion is one of those companies pushing the boundaries of where those applications should be. But it's a company that's had a clear vision of it needs to address short-term markets as well as positioning itself for those long-term. It's not a university; it's a business, and needs to find where its markets are now. And
Mm,
that again, is where my Innovate kind of experience comes to bear.
indeed. Yeah. Well, that's obviously one to watch.